Annie Gallup is an American singer-songwriter, the daughter of a woodworking father and a screenprinting mother. Gallup studied modern dance and ballet as she grew up in Ann Arbor, Michigan. She graduated with an art degree from the University of Michigan School of Art before moving to Kentucky, Washington State, North Carolina, and Massachusetts. She lives currently in Santa Barbara, California. Before her initial public performance in 1988, Gallup worked as a cook on a yacht, a designer of wedding rings, and a massage therapist. Gallup has 10 CDs of original songs as a solo artist, and 7 with Peter Gallway as the duo Hat Check Girl. She was awarded an ArtServe Michigan Council of the Arts and Cultural Affairs Project grant in 2001 to create and perform her theater piece Stay Me With Flagons. The CD Pearl Street, a collection of linked narrative songs, was adapted from another theater piece, originally called Skinny Arms. She is a Kerville New Folk winner, 2002, and the Napa Valley Music Festival winner, 1999. Her song, Circle, was covered by Chuck Brodsky on his album Radio. She covered Rachel Bissex's song, Angel, on the tribute record Remembering Rachel. Songs of Rachel Bissex, 2005. Gallup and Gallway were married on March 1, 2014. Solo, with Hat Check Girl.